Hello, class, and welcome to week 11 of English 101 Online. I trust that you were able to take a look at my feedback to you regarding essay number 3, your health essay. If you go to my grades, you will see my comments to you. Please open it, review it. If you receive a grade of 70 or above, then you have passed this essay. If you've received a grade of 69 or lower, then you have not passed and you will need to revise and resubmit this essay in assignments for a passing grade. I also strongly recommend going to any of the writing and literacy centers on any of CCBC's campuses for help with the revision process. Also, we have an online writing lab or CCBC's OWL, which you may also make use of to help you. For this week in English 101, you'll be working on the Greats module. The Greats module is a little bit different from the other modules that you've been working on before. One of the features that's really different is that you will be choosing the topic and I won't. It'll be, the parameters, of course, will be that you're going to be choosing a topic of a musical or a cultural icon, someone in the arts. Let's take a look at the parameters for this. Give me 1 second. You will be choosing someone whom you believe transcends the arts, a historical figure who transcends time, whose artistic talent will live on forever. You will see that there is a photo on the module of Elvis Presley, whose music has transformed American culture. And so you're going to choose a cultural icon in the arts, some aspect of the arts, who has transformed American culture and whose work will live on. This person can be from literature, music, movies, television, print media, fashion, the visual arts, such as photography, painting, sculpting, and so forth, or technology. In the past, I've had students write about Michael Jackson. They've written about Steve Jobs and other kinds of big artistic figures. And you get to choose which person you'd like to write about. And of course, this involves some research. You'll have to do quite a bit of research. For this week, you will be working on the Klosterman reader response, and that is in response to an article for Module 1 of the Greats module on Klosterman, his writing, which and the title of it is "Which Rock Star Will Historians of the Future Remember?" So I would like you to read this article in its entirety, and then I'd like you to respond to it in assignments for the reader response. And the reader response is right here. It's the Great Written Response Assignment. You click on it and you will start the time for responding to it. It's pretty much like a comprehension quiz, if you will. And that's all that I'd like you to do for this week. So read the articles for Module 1, take the Klosterman reader written response quiz, and then we'll continue with next week. I hope this was helpful.